Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12 Pro, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here we'll see the notification section. Now just click here. We got selected the droplets. We can change the sound to the bursts, or also we can click here to the more section, and here we can choose our device from online ringtones or local ringtones. But if you wanna know how to do that, you should find another video on our HardReset YouTube channel, but I'll show you just how to set the how to change the default notification sound. So just click and select one from the sounds here, and after that you'll see here the message that this sound applied successfully, and one will go back here into the sounds settings. We can see that our notification sound has changed successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.